Hi there, George here. Today I'm gonna repot my Echeveria. I must do it. It's not the best time to repot succulent cacti in this time of year and winter, but I will show you my Echeveria, how it looks like, and I must repot it. So the pot already is small and it will not stay, and you can see the plant how was grow. So I have to put it in a bigger pot and you will see how it will grow in the future. Also I will remove these dry leaves and everything will be okay. So I will show you the pot which I will plant. This pot, as you can see, beautiful, nice size, and I did holes in the pot already. So this Echeveria I bought in summer 2018 and so beautiful it looks like. So I must repot it and let's do it. So let's begin to take out from the pot and remove all the dry leaves. Even these leaves I will remove, I will let only this on. I'm done with that, and now I will put in the new pot, and the soil I put up there, so I think everything will be okay, we will see. As well I do that to have contact with the new soil, this soil old. So now let's plant it in this pot. Here I have potting soil. Mix it with sand and I think it's good. It's easily moist and I will not water the plant. I will water after 2 weeks and that's it. I will put a little soil here in the pot and after that I will put the Echeveria. Now let's try to put Echeveria here. It's good. Now we have to put soil around it. I'm finished, so looks like the final result, and we will see how it will grow, and in the summertime I will grow it outside. After 2 weeks I will water it there. I will not water on there because it can root. So that's it. Beautiful looks like now. So that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching to the end. That means a lot to my channel. So put like and hit the subscribe button if you are new, and I wish you a good day. Greetings from Moldova. See you next time. Bye bye.